Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to effectively filter your chats in WhatsApp on your PC. If you want to quickly find specific chats or organize your conversations based on specific factors, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that you are logged in to your account and have access to your chats. Step 2. Click on the filter icon. Next, locate the filter icon on the top right corner of the chat section. It looks like a funnel-shaped icon. Click on it to open the filter options. Step 3. Select the desired filter factor. A list of filter factors will appear. Choose the factor that suits your needs or the specific chats you want to filter. It could be options like unread messages, groups, broadcast lists, or starred messages. By selecting a filter factor, WhatsApp will display only the chats that meet that specific criterion, making it easier for you to find what you're looking for and manage your conversations more efficiently. Filtering chats in WhatsApp on your PC is a fantastic feature that helps you stay organized and saves you time when searching for specific chats or types of messages. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily filter your chats in WhatsApp on your PC. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Until next time, take care and happy filtering.